POS is one of the amazing thing if you are running a small businesses, or if you are running a department stores, or if you are running a small shops, or if you are running a grocery. It is very useful for the school, colleges and different kind of things. POS is especially used for the department store, but you can use this one in the restaurant and different kind of things. It have multiple uses. So if you are also trying to create the POS or point of sale, then this is the right video for you. After watching this video, you will be able to create the POS in Tally ERP9 accounting software. And you don't have to watch any video to create the POS in Tally ERP9 after watching this video. There are various types of uses or benefits of POS. After creating the POS, you will save the time, money, manpower and different kind of things. You can take the benefits from the POS. So it is very useful. So if you want to also know how to create the POS in Tally ERP9, then this is the right video for you. Just you have to watch this video until the last. If you didn't watch this video until the last, you will not be able to create the POS. So that's why please watch this video until the last, step by steps. So after watching all the full video only, you will be able to create the point of sale in Tally ERP9. There are various softwares, so you can use the Microsoft Excel also to create the POS. But today I'm going to teach you to create POS in Tally ERP9 Accounting Software. Hello everyone, it's me Dipesh Rai. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So if you want to get updates about my YouTube channel, please follow in my Instagram account also. I'm giving you my profile link in the video descriptions. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, in this video we will learn to create the POS. POS means point of sale. So it will be very useful for the department store or if you are running a small scale business. Sometimes you can use this kind of point of sale using the Tally accounting software in various types of sector. So if you want to also create the point of sale in Tally ERP9, it's too much easy. Just you have to follow all the steps which will be mentioned in this video. So guys, to create a POS in Tally accounting software, first of all you have to go in the account info, okay, and after this just you have to go in the voucher types. So now you can see here is a voucher types. So for this one just press B. After this you have to click in the create or you can press C. So now you can see it's asking me the name, so I'm just giving the name. So I'm just giving the POS and inside the bracket point of sale. After this just press enter, and now you can see here in my right side it's giving me the different kind of the voucher types list. Just you have to choose the sales voucher because we are using the point of sale voucher type in the sales. So after choosing the sales, you can choose the abbreviation also, but in this time I'm not doing anything, or you can give the name POS system. After this it's asking me the numbering types. So in this time you can choose any of them. You can choose automatic, manual, none, but in this time I'm using the automatic. If you want to do numbering manually, then in that case you can choose the manual also, but in this time I am using the automatic. So it's telling me that use advanced configuration. In this time I am choosing the no. It's telling me that use effective dates from for vouchers, so I'm making it no, or you can make it yes also. So it is telling me that make optional as default. It's also no. Use common narrations, yes. Narration in for each entry, no, because if I want to add the narration in each entry, it will be very difficult for me, so that's why I'm making it no. So it's telling me I use for exercise. If you want to use this voucher for the exercise, you can make it yes, but in this I'm not using this voucher types for the exercise. So after this, just press the enter. So now it's asking me print after saving the voucher, so you have to make it yes, because after using the POS and after doing the sales, you have to provide the slips to your customer, right? That's why you have to make it yes. So it's telling me that use for POS invoicing, just make it yes. So I'm making it yes, and it's asking me the print message one, so you can do, or you can input whatever you want. I'm just using thank you for using our services. Just press enter, and it's asking me the print message too, so I'm just giving please visit us again, and again it's asking me the default print title. So I'm just giving a declaration, or you can put anything whatever you want, but in this time I'm just using declaration. So it's so after this, please verify your product after checking after purchasing carefully. So after this, it's asking me the name of class, but in this time I'm not using the name of class, and just press enter, and you have to save it. And I'm going to save by pressing Y, or you can directly click in the yes also, but I'm using the Y button to save it. So if I went outside and if I went in the display, so now you can see here we have the POS point of sale voucher types. So after this, just you have to go inside the gateway of Tally. So if I want to sell my products, so in that time what to do? So for this one, just you have to go inside the voucher, and so if I click inside my sales voucher, now you can see it's giving the two types of the voucher type. The first one is the POS, which I have recently created, and another one is sales voucher. The sales voucher is the default sales voucher, but the POS is the recently created the modified voucher type. So I'm using the POS. So and it's asking me the cost center class, but in this time I am not using anything, so I'm just using the not applicable. So after this, just you have to choose the party name. So now you can see here are two parties available inside my company, so I am using this one. So it's asking me the sales account. Okay, so if I want to use the VAT or tax, so in that case also I can use this one, VAT tax from here, and you can sales your product. So in this time I have the gold star shoes only, so I'm just using gold star shoes. So I'm just using the 15,000, and I'm just pressing enter. So now you can see here after pressing the enter, it's telling me the cash. Okay, and or if you want to
use the another payment method. So in this time just you have to click in the multi payment mode, or if you want to use the single payment, just click here, and again you want to use control plus P, or just click in the multiple payment mode. So in the multiple payment mode you will get the feature of the gift vouchers, credit debit card payment, check, cash, and different kind of the multiple payment methods available. But I prefer to use the single payment, because if you are not using the any kind of another feature, you, it is not necessary to use another payment methods. So after this I'm just using the cash, and just you have to make it equal. And after this you can put the narration also, being good sold to Mr. Ram. And after this just press enter, and it's asking me the save or no. So I want to save, so just click in the save. So it's telling me that voucher totals do not match, DR 15,000 and the CR is 30,000. I think I did some mistakes here. Oh sorry. So I think I should to make it Sam. So I'm just making Sam account. So 15,000. Okay, I want to save it. So still it is not telling me that voucher totals do not match, or DR or CR. But I think I have few mistakes, or I have already entered uh, some transaction before also, so that's why it is not working this time. But this is the method to create a POS, point of sale. So hoping that you get few ideas to create the point of sale in the Tally accounting software. And this time it is not working due to few reasons. Maybe I have already the created few, or I have already did few mistakes inside this company, so that's why it is showing me the error. So if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment section.
Hoping that you get few ideas about the point of sale or POS. So if you have still any kind of confusion to create the POS in TallyERP9, then please let me know in the comment section. If you have any issues or questions, or if you have any kind of feedbacks about this video, let me know in the comment sections. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. And share this video to among the people who are trying to create POS in TallyERP9. Maybe this video will help for them also. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.